This one thing might be the
Wow.
reason that your squat sucks. Now, when diagnosing a squat, there are a lot of different things that you need to consider. When people first start out, they may notice that their toes are way forward in the squat or that they're leaning too far back and feel like they're gonna fall backwards. Then they do a lot of different corrective exercises trying to diagnose those exact things. And although these do have a time and place, there might be another reason why this is happening. Simply being your balance. Now, when you go down into the bottom of a squat, you need to have equal pressure through your entire foot. So ideally, not too much pressure forward into your toes or not too much back into your heels. By doing this, you will naturally put your body in the best position for yourself at that time for a perfect squat. And if you're looking at me and you're like, Logan, what in the world does that even mean? Look down at your feet and try to grab the ground with your feet so you feel your toes clenching at the front and your heels firmly in the ground. Then do a very slow and controlled squat. You can hold on to something if you need to and literally feel your feet as you go down the entire time. Making sure if you notice you're going a little bit too far forward to then slightly shift back into your heels as you go all the way down as far as you comfortably can without pain. Practicing the squat like this in your warm-up and beyond greatly increase your squatting strength once you start getting those heavier weights because you've programmed your body at a very light weight to be able to do it with perfect technique.